Welcome back, managers. Before we jump into the settings, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're always ready for the next game week. To start, we're heading back to Google to jump into the official FPL site. Once we're in, let's head over to the Pick Team tab. Now, if you ever get a bit bored of your team name or just have a better idea, simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page under Admin and click Team Details. This is where the rebranding magic happens. We're currently rocking Zoolander Haarlander, which is a top-tier pun if you ask me. We played around with changing it to Zoolander Globetrot just to see how it looked, but honestly, it's hard to move away from a classic player-themed name that just works. Once you've typed in your masterpiece, just hit Update Details at the bottom to save your changes. It's as easy as that to keep your team identity fresh while you climb those mini-leagues.